Hey there, I'm Scott King, and I want to share something that completely transformed my DJ business. Over the last 5 years, I've scaled from struggling to get gigs to booking over 220 events a year and hitting $370,000 in sales. Now, I do spend about $1,500 a month on ads today, but I didn't start there. When I was getting started, I had zero budget for advertising. So today, I'm giving you my exact 5-step checklist for booking gigs without spending a dime. These are the same strategies I used to build my foundation before I ever touched paid ads. Strategy number 1, network with local event planners. This is pure gold and costs nothing but your time. Visit local venues, wedding planners, and event coordinators in person. Bring a 30-second demo mix and introduce yourself. The key is following up with a quick text or email to stay top of mind. I recommend reaching out to at least 3 local planners every week. Strategy number 2, join social media groups for gigs. Find local event or wedding groups on Facebook or Reddit. Don't just lurk, provide value. Share quick tips like top 5 party songs for 2025 and make sure your profile shows you're a DJ with a link to your booking page. Post in at least 2 groups weekly with a link to your site. Strategy number 3, partner with event vendors. Connect with photographers, caterers, and florists who work similar events. Offer to cross-refer clients or send them leads. This builds trust and creates a referral network. Contact at least 1 vendor for a partnership every week. Strategy number 4, post shareable social media clips. Create 15-second Instagram reels or TikToks of your best mixes. Tag local venues and use hashtags like #weddingdj or #eventdj. Make sure you have a booking link in your bio. Post at least 1 clip weekly. Strategy number 5, ask past clients for referrals. This is the easiest money you'll ever make. Email or text past clients saying, "Love DJing your event. Know anyone planning a party?" Offer a small discount for referrals that book. Send referral requests to at least 5 past clients every week. Bonus strategy 1, optimize your Google Business profile claim and update your Google Business profile with photos, reviews, and a booking link. Add keywords like wedding DJ plus your city name to show up in local searches. Bonus strategy 2, host a free local DJ showcase. Partner with a local bar or venue to host a free DJ night where you perform a short set. Promote it in community groups and collect contact info from attendees. Free platforms to list your business. Yelp gives you a free business page for local visibility. GigSalad lets you add services, pricing, and demos for free. These strategies work, but they take time to manage manually. That's why I use Go High Level to automate follow-ups, bookings, and lead tracking. It's what allowed me to scale to 220 plus events while building the foundation for my current paid advertising success. If you want to put these strategies on autopilot and eventually scale to paid ads like I did, you can get a free 30-day Go High Level trial, and I'll leave the link in the description. I will also leave a link in the description of the funnel page I made in the previous video so you can see it in action. These exact steps gave me the foundation to eventually invest $1,500 monthly in ads and hit $370,000 in annual sales. Start here, build your foundation, then scale up when you're ready.